Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to lock iPhone for kids. So if you want to lock an iPhone for kids and control what they can access, follow these simple steps on how to get it started. So the first step is to set up screen time and personal and parental control. So go to the settings, click on screen time, then tap turn on screen time, then tap continue, then select this is my child's iPhone. Then step 2, set a screen time password, then scroll down and tap on use screen time passcode. Then set a 4-digit password and make sure your child doesn't know about it. Then after that, restrict app and features. Go to the settings, click on screen time, click on the content and privacy restriction, then turn on content and privacy restriction. Then tap allow apps and disable apps you don't want your child to use, like Safari and FaceTime. And after that, on the step 4, limit the screen time apps. So for you to get started with that, go to settings, click on screen time and click on app limit. Then tap add limit and select categories like social media, games and entertainment. Then set a daily time limit. For example, you can simply set an hour and 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours, depends on your choice. Then tap on add to save the settings. Then on the step 5, set a downtime, limit overall usage. Go to settings, then click on screen time, then click on downtime. Then set a schedule when the iPhone will be locked. For example, bedtime hour. Then only calls and allowed apps will work during this time. Then on the step 6, block explicit content and purchases. So for you to do that, go to the settings, click on screen time and click on content and privacy restriction, tap on content restriction and adjust the settings for app, website, movies and music. Then after that, go to the iTunes and app store purchases and set required password for downloads. Then step 7, enable guides and access. Lock on iPhone, lock on one Apple only. Then go to the settings, click on accessibility, click on guided access, then turn it on and set a password code for that. Then open the app you want your child to use, then triple click the side home button to activate the guided access. Then to exit, triple click the button and enter the passcode. Then on the step 8, to prevent change or to settings, go to settings, then click on screen time, then click on privacy and content and privacy restriction, then scroll to allow changes and disable things like account changes and passcode changes. And this is a simple steps on how to lock iPhone for kids. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.